Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in the kitchen and I'm excited because I have the new April Joyful Jordan box. I have not taken a peek yet, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what is coming out this month. As a reminder, these monthly subscription boxes called the Joyful Jordan box from Jordan Essentials comes out starting on the 1st of each month, and it's available all month long until the last day of that month. After that, it is no longer available. The box costs $20 plus shipping and tax, and it normally has, it's guaranteed to have at least $25 worth of product in it. I think so far always has had more than that, more like $30, $35, it just depends. It usually has one regular item from the catalog, so this is the current spring-summer catalog, and then has one or two items that are either a unique scent, a unique type of product, some kind of different thing that we haven't seen before, and it is exclusive to that box and only available in that box. So let's take a look to see what we have. Okay, and each box always comes with a little card like this. On one side it'll have a quote or a Bible verse. So this one says, "Into each life a little rain must fall. Let go and let God wash away your worries." From Nancy. And Nancy Bogart is the founder of Jordan Essentials. She's the lady that created the lotion bar so many years ago. We're going on 19 years back in her kitchen. So the back side here, this is your peek at what we have. So the white scrunchie, and this is a palm-sized scrunchie to cleanse and exfoliate. I believe we still have these in the catalog, but they're a larger size. So this is a little smaller, kind of a travel size maybe. Ooh, I'm getting some hints here. Shaving cream. So this is new for the box. It's not in the catalog. I've never seen it before. So it says soothing shaving cream, rich, buttery, and foam free. And this is in the grapefruit and bergamot scent. Has aloe, cocoa butter, and shea butter. And if you can hear some crunching, that is my daughter who's joining me today alongside. And she's working on a snack. So this says rich, buttery, foam-free cream featuring aloe, coconut oil, and shea butter will leave you with the cleanest and smoothest shave imaginable. Perfect for both men and women for all body areas. So that is exciting. I have not used a shaving cream of any kind in years, just because normally they don't have very good ingredients. So that'll be fun to check that out. And then we have the grapefruit and bergamot shower gel. So this is the 9-ounce size. And like I mentioned, grapefruit and bergamot is the spring-summer scent. So this scent will be available through the summertime, and when the new catalog comes out in the fall, then this scent goes away. So this is normally in the catalog. So this is one of those items, like I mentioned, that's normally in the catalog. And I'm just going to take a peek because I can't remember how much the shower. So normally, the 9-ounce shower gel is $12. So already that's close to the 20. Let's see if I can find the little scrunchie. The bath scrunchie is $4. So right there, we're at what, 18? So these two alone is almost the $20. And then you have this 4-ounce size of a unique new product that's exclusive to the box, and that is an extra bonus. So this is a really fun box this month. I'm excited to give these things a try. I was needing some shower gel, so that'll be nice to have on hand. And that is what was in the April Joyful Jordan box for 2019. And as I mentioned, this box is available for the whole month of April. You can get it one time, or if you want to do a recurring subscription and have it shipped to you each month, you can do that as well. You can also sign up and prepay for 3, 6, or 9 or 12 months, and that will give you the quarterly coupon. So that enrolls you in the Perks Club, and you get extra coupons, and you can see I have my helper there. So, all right, thanks everyone. You want to tell them bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye. Have a great day. And I will put my link in the description down below so you can click on that if you want to buy a Joyful Jordan box for yourself or send one to a friend. It's a great little gift to send out, and it's a fun surprise to get for yourself. So thanks again for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.